Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert dotted signature line in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to add dotted signature line. Firstly, go to a page, then go to the tool section, and we can see here many tools. Now I am select the pen tool, otherwise you can select P on our keyboard, then click and click another side, press shift on our keyboard, and we can see we insert a line. Then go back again the tool section, select the move tool, then choose the stroke color option and choose black. You can choose any color, then click the white option and increase the white to this line. Then we can see here the dash line. Now I am select this dash line and select the boot cap and decrease the whiteness. Now we can see we insert dotted signature line very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.